This video is going to explain how to complete the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory Gallery Walk assignment. So this assignment includes a video. So the first thing it says is watch this video. So when you open the link up, it should be this video. See if I can move it over. Sorry if that made you a little dizzy. About different stories from the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory fire. So you're going to first complete that, watch that video, or the rest may not make as much sense to you. Then, let me move my screen back. Here you go. The next thing it says, after you've watched the video, you're going to look at the 8 firsthand accounts below and then answer the questions that follow. So here is eyewitness account number 1, eyewitness account number 2. So these are all firsthand accounts, and it also gives you the name of the person giving the eyewitness account. You have to remember this went to court, so they had to take testimony from people that saw or experienced this tragedy. So these are real firsthand accounts of what people saw or thought or did, right? All right, so scrolling down, you have 8 in total, and it gives you, like, this one is a fire investigator, this is a firefighter, right? So you're getting all makes, models of people that were at this event. Then your goal is to figure out what happened. So it says reading the firsthand accounts plus the video that you watched, you were able to hopefully learn some new information. You're going to pull out 5 pieces of important information that you learned from these firsthand accounts. That includes the video, that includes those 8 firsthand accounts that you just read through. So you're giving 5 meaty, good chunks of information that you found. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're just going to click on it. You're just going to type and give me that information. Then you scroll down and it says, now, what do you think happened? You're going to give me a well-rounded summary of what you think occurred. It says you're going to write a 5 to 10 sentence report, and seeing that you are gifted honor students, I would err on the side of that at least 10 sentence report, explaining below what you think was the cause of the fire, who do you think was to blame, and what laws do you think need to be implemented to prevent such a disaster from happening again? So this is a 3-parter right here. So I even included the highlights. So you have 3 essential questions you are aiming to answer. You are going to be using the information that you gathered up above as evidence down below. So these 5 things right here should appear somewhere in your answer down here below. Hopefully that makes sense. As always, reach out, send me an email if anything sounds confusing. I don't need brain surgery or rocket science, but this was a very important historic event that changed the way that we do a lot of things in businesses or public facilities today. So it is a good idea to get a good grasp or handle on this event in our history right now. Once again, reach out if you have any questions.